Hi everyone, how are you all? So today I'll just show you all briefly what I bought in IKEA, and I'll just show you around what I ate or shopped and what's the collection like now. So yeah, this is pretty much what I got to eat, which I ended up not eating fully, and the banana dessert was really good. So I went here looking for a bedside table and a chair for my vanity, but I found everything but those two that I actually wanted. బాగుంటుంది. స్పాట్ లైట్స్ కనిపి అది తీసేయచ్చు, అది ఆప్షనల్. అవి అప్పుడే కూడా చూపించిన కానీ నాకు ఇట్లా బెడ్రూమ్ ఇష్టం. ఇప్పుడు ఇట్లాంటిదే కదండి, కానీ ఎక్కువ ఎంత బాగుంది కదా. చాలా బాగుంది. ఇవెంత బాగున్నాయి చూడండి. మరి 7,000 ఎక్కువ అనిపిస్తుంది. Hello everyone, so let me quickly give you a tour of everything we bought in IKEA today. So there are quite a few things that I wanted but I couldn't find it, like, or else it was closing time, so I didn't have the patience to go search for it. So yeah, but then we got two things from the Azzy section, and let me show you what those are. This is the first one, and this is mine and mom's favorite pick of the day. It's so damn pretty, like, oh my god, look at it. And guess what I'm going to be using this as? a bangle stand. Right. I mean, it could be a perfect stand for storing your bangles or hanging them, right? And we got this from the As Is section because it's a discontinued product. So sadly, there is no link or you can't find it right now. But if you can find it in As Is section, good luck. But this was the only one, and apparently it's called this 2023 Christmas tree shaped decor. So it was 3 years ago product, and we found it, and I'm gonna keep it in my mom's room to decorate. Next up, we have this thing we can keep on the sink so that you can keep your dishes that you've just washed, and it's gonna drain. So it's a sink container which is extendable, and this product is actually 300, but they have they sold it for 219 because it's a ex showroom model. And the only bad part is it has this thing, but rest is fine since it's a As Is from the As Is section. I like it. Then we have these 3 cute chairs which are actually what do you call, you can keep these, you can stuck these chairs to the wall and just hang something onto it, which I think is pretty cool. And middle chair is exactly what my bar stools look like near the island, and that's because those chairs are also from IKEA. But yeah, these are like a miniature versions of it which are really cute, right? Don't you think so? Moving on, this pasta, like look at this, it looks so cute, right? So tiny. ఇదెందుకు చిన్నగా ఉందమ్మా పాస్తాకి? చేస్తావా మరి? అక్కడైనా నువ్వు తినేకే కదా. Okay. And next up we have this really pretty bedside lamp. So basically when you do tuck, it's gonna light up, and when you do it again, it's gonna go back to normal. And it's, I think I feel very overwhelmed just by looking at how much assembly a tiny lamp has to go through, and I don't think I'm the best person at assembling this, so I don't know, let's figure out. I'm not sure if they gave a bulb or not. I need to check. But yeah, I have kajal all over my fingertips and I need to wash my face before touching all these white stuff. So yes, that's it. That's all the IKEA haul we have, and I'll show you the lamp. I think I've already shown the one in the showroom, so yeah, that's all. And I'll show you what I got from Home Center. And this hanger that's in my kitchen.